contacted me and asked for some help about using Desmos for this problem. So I'm going to make a little video for you. Hopefully this will help. Really just want you to get used to using Desmos. Powerful tool for you. You may see on my screen here that I have it as a frequently used app right here, but you may or may not have that. So I just type in Desmos in the search bar. And it brings me to here. It's a Google product. So I also recommend, as long as you're a Vista Unified student, that you get used to logging in. So I'm going to do that. I'm already logged in, but this is where you do it. But even if you don't log in, here's how it's going to work. I'm going to come over here to the left pane. That's where you're going to type in any equation you want to graph. If you get to more complex equations, you're going to want to use this keyboard down here because it helps with exponents and variables and things of that nature. You can also see it adds more complex functions here. So something to be aware of. For this problem, you don't need it, but you're certainly welcome to use it. I just start typing the equation. You were supposed to graph y equals x plus 3. And you can see over here, you can change the color. Or I'm not sorry, you can't change the color. You can change it whether it's on or off like that. You can change the color, but we'll worry about that later. I, however, need to graph the second equation. So I just keep clicking below these for as many things as I need to graph or tables I need to set up. And I would type in y equals negative x plus 3. Now, if you can't see, in this case, this is good enough, but you can go over here, move your cursor to the middle of the screen, left click your mouse and hold it down, and then move your mouse or your finger on your touchpad and move it so you can see. You can also zoom in. Obviously, some of you can do it on your touchpad. Others of you have a touch screen and you can pinch. But if you have neither of those, you just come over here to zoom in a little bit. And there you go. Okay, so hopefully that helps. At this point, I'm not giving away the answer. I'm hoping you remember that a solution to a system, what it means algebraically, and also what it means graphically, because that's what this was intended. But we'll go over the answers to this next week. Just wanted to make sure you knew how to use Desmos. In terms of exporting this, you come up here to the right side. If you can see my cursor, and you can see how I can share the graph. Many students have just been copying the link and embedding it into the answer. I am not sure. I'm hoping that you can also check this export image out, where I just copy or download this and post it. That's something I want you to know how to do anyway. But again, most of you who have done it are just copying this link and putting it in the answer on the forum question, and that's totally fine. Doing a great job with that. You just hit copy and paste inside your answer. We can look really quickly and see that later. But anyway, I hope this helps. Email me with your questions. A lot of you have been doing that. It's a great job. Talk to you soon.